Welcome to QuaverEd Workshops, where professional learning is specialized and interactive. Our workshops cover topics related to wellness, music education, health, and physical education. They are designed to be engaging for educators and tailored to your needs. Whether in person or virtual, each session is packed with strategies, best practices, and interactive components. Led by a dynamic team with over 120 years of collective experience, our workshops are guaranteed to inspire and equip you. Join the 99% of educators who rate our workshops a 4 or 5 star. Get a certificate of completion and take your teaching to the next level.
My favorite part of QuaverEd professional learning would be experiencing the lessons as the student would experience them by getting up and moving and participating.
Visit QuaverEd.com/workshops to learn more and book your workshop today. We look forward to partnering with you.